Okay, with a little bit of sunlight left, I better try and give you all an update on this. I totally trimmed down this tree. I think this is a perennial. It usually will bloom again in the spring, so I just cut it down just to see what's going to happen. But this is our orange tree. As you can see, I got all the weed from up around the tree. Took all of the weed from out of the pot, got it cleaned up and got it watered. And if you can see these little leaves coming up soon, and what you can also see is some little tiny oranges getting ready to take form, take shape. This is a navel orange tree, so it's going to produce some oranges this year. I'm looking forward to seeing that. And I got most of the weed out of the raised bed. I'm still working on it. Gotta come tomorrow, continue to clean it. And you can see I got most all of the dirt and the grass and the leaves raked up. Had this thing pulled out and weeded underneath it. Took most of the pots that were in there out and was able to clean out this pot, water it with some fish emulsion, give it some nitrogen. And this is a Japanese plum tree. This is also a Japanese plum tree. Gotta put some more soil in it to let it get some nutrition. I watered it with some nitrogen as well as the other one. These two were planted at the same time, but this one seems to be a little taller. Doesn't have as many leaves on it. And this, I moved it. It was right in the center, but I moved it over here and put some little cut off wood underneath it to brace it, because it'll lean over. This is my lemon tree that I started from a seed, and as you can see on this one also, see the new leaves getting ready to take shape. You can see them right here, right there, right there. They're blooming all over, so this will be sprouting some new leaves pretty soon. Now, as far as the lemons, I really don't know, because like I said, I planted this from a seed about 6 or 7 years ago. Will it ever produce any fruit? I don't know. But you see all the little new leaves sprouting up, taking shape. It got tall on me, but this is from a little seed. I started in an eggshell. So, this is a lot of work today. I'm losing my light, but I got a lot done. Did a lot of weeding and raking and cleaning. I got some other areas of the yard done too, but mainly with raking over here a lot. No real major thing done, but I'll be over here tomorrow getting the bulk of this done. I raked up a lot of the leaves, but I didn't do any weeding. Wanted to put all of my time and attention over in that area, but it looks really, really good. I managed to get 3 bags of these brown bags filled, and it looks pretty good. Guys, leave me your comments and let me know what you think. So I'm going to end it here, and we'll see you guys on Monday for a follow-up. I should have a lot more done by then, but you'll see. The watering of the Japanese plum trees and the lemon tree was the only thing I got done for any plants today. But I'll be working on the plants as soon as I finish cleaning up around here.